Assalamu alaikum engineers and fellow friends. Welcome to Munir Academy and I'm your host engineer अदनान मुनीर। पिछली वीडियोस में हम QAQC इलेक्ट्रिकल के बेसिक्स के बारे में जान चुके हैं। आज हम इसी सीक्वेंस में एक और वीडियो के साथ हाजिर हैं जिसमें हम सीखेंगे कि QAQC इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर साइट पर पूरा दिन क्या करता है। आज की इस इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो में हम QAQC इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर की डेली साइट एक्टिविटीज़ को स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझेंगे। So let's start with this great video. So let's start with the introduction of our topic, a day in the life of a QAQC electrical engineer. This video provides a realistic picture of the daily site activities for a QAQC electrical engineer. Building on our previous discussion of basic concepts, this video provides a realistic picture of the daily QAQC work, whether you are working on oil and gas projects, power plants, substations, or high-rise buildings. Understanding these responsibilities is crucial. So now let's start with discussing the daily activities of QAQC electrical engineer. Activity number first, review of approved drawings and documents. The day of QAQC electrical engineer typically begins with a thorough review of critical documents to ensure compliance and readiness for inspection. The key documents include the approved IFC electrical drawings, project specifications, inspection and test plans, which is shortly known as ITPs, approved method statements. The purpose of this activity is to confirm that planned electrical work is approved, compliant with standards, and ready for inspection. No inspection proceeds without approved documentation. Activity number 2, site walkthrough and visual inspection. Following document review, the QAQC electrical engineer conducts a comprehensive site walkthrough. This visual inspection is vital for ensuring on-site quality. This inspection includes the inspection of cable laying routes, cable trays, and conduit installation, panel installation and alignments, earthing and bonding connections, workmanship and safety practices. This activity ensures installation aligned with drawings, specifications, and international standards. The QAQC acts as the guardians of quality. Activity number 3 is the pre-inspection before client or consultant inspection. An internal pre-inspection is crucial to identify and rectify defects before clients or consultant inspection, ensuring the smooth approval. This internal inspection include internal check. This means that before involving clients or consultant, an internal inspection is performed. The key step of this internal inspection is the checking work against approved checklists, identifying defects or deviations, preparing punch points. The goal of this internal inspection is to prevent rejections during client inspections and ensure a smooth approval process. Preparation is key to success. Activity number 4 is the witnessing electrical testing. Witnessing electrical testing is one of the most crucial responsibilities, ensuring system integrity and safety. Some of the electrical tests that should be witnessed during the activity are IR test. This is insulation resistance test, continuity test. This is to ensure unbroken circuits. Earthing test. This is the verification of ground connections. And functional test. This is the verification of the function of panels and equipments. The engineer verifies calibrated instruments adhere to produces an accurate recording of results. The engineer verify calibrated instruments, adherence to procedures, and accurate recording results. No system is energized without successful testing and QAQC approval. Activity number 5, NCR and punch list management. Managing non-conformance reports, it means NCRs, in punch list items is vital for continuous quality improvement. Some of steps included in this activities are: number first, identify non-conformance. If work fails to meet project requirements, non-conformance reports are NCR or punch list items are raised. Activity number 5, NCR and punch list management. Managing non-conformance reports, it means NCRs, in punch list items is vital for continuous quality improvement. First is identification of non-conformance. If work fails to meet project requirements, non-conformance report or NCRs or punch list items are raised. Number second is communicate and verify. After this, when NCR is raised, the QAQC Electrical Engineer communicate issues with the construction team and verify corrective actions. After this, close NCRs. This means that after re-inspection, NCRs are formally closed. The objective is quality improvement, not the blame. So this means that the raising of NCR doesn't mean that to blame activities or to blame the construction work, but rather this is the quality improvement. Activity number 6 is the coordination with construction and client team. QAQC electrical engineers are central to project coordination, working with various stakeholders. Effective coordination with various teams ensures fewer conflicts, faster approvals, and better project quality. These stakeholders include site engineers, construction managers, client representatives, and consultants. They actively participate in site meetings, inspections, and technical discussions. Effective communications is paramount for minimizing conflicts, accelerating approvals, and ensuring overall project quality. Activity number 7 and 8, it means the last activities of the day are daily reports and end of the day review. Comprehensive documentation is a cornerstone of QAQC, essential for client acceptance and project closeout. These having number first is the document is key. This means that at day's end, the engineer prepare daily inspection reports, test reports, approved checklists, and inspection records. Second is critical for project. So this means that these documents are vital for client acceptance, final handover, and project closeout dossiers. Without proper QAQC documentation, a project cannot be successfully closed. After this, review and plan. This means that day concludes with reviewing identified issues, following up on pending NCRs, and planning for the next day's inspection. A professional QAQC engineer always plans ahead. Now, conclusion of the video and next steps. So we have explored the comprehensive daily activities of a QAQC electrical engineer, from initial document review and site inspections to critical testing, team coordination, and meticulous reporting. So this was all about our today video. Our next expected video might be the inspection and test plan, which is shortly known as ITP. The complete explanation of ITP with practical example. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment and suggest the next topic you would like to learn. Thank you once again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.